Everyone, this video about the tiny house with a rustic material, with a wood material. As we can see about it, the tiny house with a dimension around 2.8 and 10 meter for the length anyway, and it has one floor deck on the base plate right there, and it has rooftop and secondary floor or first floor right there. We can see for the tiny house design, it has spiral staircase right there with entrance in the side of this tiny house. This is about the entrance of this tiny house. Okay, this is about the aerial view of this tiny house. It has a rooftop area right there, and with another room on the first floor. And this is about the access of this tiny house with a spiral staircase in near on the entrance door right there. This is entrance door, and it has some small window on the another room right there, and it has several window and the storefront in the front of this tiny house. Anyway, we can look and see about this tiny house design anyway. And okay, we can see about the front view of this tiny house, and this is what the right side view of this tiny house itself anyway. And it has a floor deck on the front and side of this tiny house itself anyway. So we can figure out of this tiny house when it comes to us to make small party and small communal space right there. So it would be nice arrangement of this tiny house design anyway. Okay, we can see about the interior of this tiny house. This is about the interior of this tiny house. Is just still empty room right there. You can see this is about the empty room, and maybe it could be kitchen area right there. And we can look around for the another room space right there. Okay, we can look around for this first floor. This is about the first floor room, and it has about the rooftop area. Okay, this is about the rooftop area. We can see about it, and this is access for the spiral staircase. This is about the rooftop area with several sofas outdoor and industrial railing anyway. And this is about the first floor room with a raven glass itself anyway. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching. This is about the tiny house design review from me, and just wait for my next video, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about this tiny house design. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.